Hello storm chasers and thrill seekers. It's your forest host Bigfoot, and welcome to Bigfoot's Top 5 Tornado Videos. Now, I know a thing or two about weather out here in the woods. Rain? No problem. Snow? Cozy. But tornadoes? Those are a whole different level of nature's chaos. Spinning, roaring, chewing up everything in their path. It's like the forest version of me after too much alien peanut butter. These aren't just breezes, folks. These are the kind of storms that make trees fly, cows go airborne, and humans rethink building houses on flat ground. So grab your storm snacks, hold on to your hats. Seriously, I lose mine every time. And let's dive into the whirling madness of nature's wildest temper tantrums, starting with number 5.
Number 5.
Ears are popping. Ears are popping.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
Hey, Nate. See this thing. Susan, get my pants. Awful damn windy. Oh, Nelly. Oh, one up in the clouds.
Number 1.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.